In today's lesson, we want to learn how to factorize quadratic expressions. Our first step is to make sure that our expression is written in standard form. What is this standard form? The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So when we look at our expression here, we see that it is not written in this standard form. So we have to rewrite it. Rewriting it, we start with x squared, then minus x, then minus 6. We have to make sure that we maintain the signs of our terms. Like x squared should remain positive, this x should be negative, and our constant should remain negative. When we have done that, we then have to multiply the first and the last terms. So we multiply x squared times minus 6. What do we get? We get minus 6x squared, because we said x squared times minus 6. When we have done that, we have to find the factors of minus 6x squared such that when we multiply those factors, they should give us minus 6x squared, but if we add them, they should give us the middle term, which is minus x. So when we take factors like, for example, 3x and 2x, like this, then what do we do? So that if we add the two factors, we get minus x, but if we multiply them, we get minus 6x squared. So if we make 3x negative and 2x positive, minus 3x plus 2x gives us minus x, and minus 3x times 2x gives us minus 6x squared. So we have achieved the factors we needed. Then after we have these factors, what we have to do is we have to substitute the middle term with these factors. So rewriting this becomes x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. We replaced minus x with minus 3x plus 2x. After we have done that, then we group our terms using brackets like this. Then we deal with each bracket individually or separately. We factor out this first bracket. What are we going to factor out? We factor out x. When we factor out x, it becomes what? It is x times x, which gives us x squared, and it is x times minus 3, which gives us minus 3x. Plus, we do the same for the second bracket. We are going to factorize it separately. What are we going to factor out? We factor out 2. It is 2 times x, which gives us 2x, and it is 2 times minus 3 again, which gives us minus 6. When we have done this, if we want to check if we have done it correctly, the terms inside the brackets should be the same. In the first bracket, we have x minus 3. In the following bracket, we have x minus 3. That is a sign that we have done things correctly. So now we just collect the terms which are outside the brackets, x plus 2, and we take a bracket, x minus 3. This is the answer. We have successfully factorized minus x plus x squared minus 6. If you want to check that your answer is correct, you just expand these brackets. If you expand them, they should give you x squared minus x minus 6. Thank you.